Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Tamiya. This is a Volkswagen Type 82E staff car in 1/48th scale. So here on the front cover, we can see here some illustration there, a little bit of information. This is from the Military Miniature Series number 31. Some of the feature set there. Some more information in other languages. And continuing on the edge, we can see here some more illustrations of possible paint configuration, more information in other languages. Continuing on this edge, actual painted model here, or an alternative paint scheme here as well. Barcode. I'm trying to read this here. This looks like it's from 2006. A little bit of glare there. This is from Made in the Philippines. Okay. Item 32531-1000. Let's go ahead and get this open. Now, what I thought was interesting about this is the bottom part of the box. This is actually the more old style lid and tray as opposed to box that opens at the end flaps. Serial number on the inside cover there. Parts still in bags. Printed information on the lower tray in multiple languages. Instructions. It doesn't mention here. Overall length is 85 millimeters. So if you need to plan out a diorama, that may give you some information ahead of time while gathering supplies. Descriptions in multiple languages. Cautions, recommended tools, paints, and again, some marking suggestions there for multiple styles. And you can see here, this is the long style of fold-out instructions. Here's the style of illustration, the parts number, and some accompanying text that will help you with the build-out, including the figure. And then finally at the bottom, the aftermarket service card portion where you can mail away, possibly for other parts or kits or catalog. Let's see about the parts here. Here we can see here the body is in a separate bag there. One piece. I'll get my finger oils on it. You can see how the attachment points are there. Still a little bit of a sprue on the back you would need to trim. There you can see the decal set and the clear pieces. Body panels, wheel portions, chassis portion, seats, pieces for the figure. And it's all basically on 2 trees, not including the body piece itself. So again, this is the Volkswagen Type 82E staff car from Tamiya from the Military Miniature Series number 31, or item number 32531. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.